Guide to Better Budgeting. A budget is basically a money plan, outlining your financial goals. Having a budget, you can well establish and regulate funds, set and achieve your financial objectives, and make advanced decisions as to how you want your finances to function well for you. The main idea in budgeting is for you to put aside a certain amount of money for expected as well as unexpected costs. Simply put, budgeting means an estimation of monthly home expenses basing it on previous expenses and bills. The initial step to take in budgeting is to find out how long will your compensation last. Define fixed expenses like car payments, home rental, insurance, etc. Likewise, follow up your expenditures thoroughly for a month so you can discover and understand where your funds are going. Through proper determination of your spending patterns, you can immediately identify solutions for effective budgeting. For instance, when you have a steady monthly income of $4,000, you should subtract all your identified monthly bills from that income. Other bills can be assessed and then subtracted from the amount of your income. The balance that remained after fixed costs can now be your budget in the household. Rather than allocating money for miscellaneous like gas, clothing, entertainment and groceries, financial planning will allow you instead to use proportions or percentages of it. The strategic solution in order for budgeting to be successful is inflexibility as well as flexibility. There are fixed expenses, so payment must be an inflexible factor. Budgeting will best work when very scarce omissions are made to greater limits. The idea here is to formulate goals and plans, then abide by it as much as you possibly can. Here are tips on how to budget. 1. Have good sense of money management. Your attitude is essential. Reach an agreement and compromise and know the significance of reducing expenditures. It all involves a lot of sacrifice. 2. Plan your situation. Make a listing with your earnings to one side and your overheads on the other side. 3. Know the difference between luxuries and necessities. List down what you believe as luxuries. With it, split the list in half, crossing out half the list. 4. Practice frugality but with dignity. You can have fun with little or without spending at all. Rather than going shopping, play with the kids at the beach or at the park. Budgeting is an effective and fundamental tool that is readily available to everyone. Consider it, and benefit from it. Click below for more information.